Now you can modify the image like this. To do that, go to canva.com and click this link. It will take you to this page. Click the Canva Magic Studio on the left side. Scroll down and click Magic Edit. Then click this button. Delete the existing image by right-clicking and selecting Delete. Upload your own image by clicking the download symbol. Click Edit Image and choose Magic Edit. Click the brush symbol, choose the brush size, and select the desired part of the image using the brush. Then, provide your description. If you don't have an idea for a description, click Inspire Me to get a suggestion. Each click will provide a new text sentence. Once you have an idea, click Generate to change your image. Canva also includes a new feature that allows you to select the whole object instead of using the brush. Now, I'm switching the image for demo purposes. Let's try it by clicking this symbol. Move the cursor, it will select the whole object in the picture. Type a description and click Generate to completely modify the selected object in the picture. Once you get the desired output, click Download. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.